perspective, it's just we are looking into it because really the fact of the matter is there have been mentions of a tape. So until they release it, there's we cannot be it becomes harder and harder to believe and to accept that there was an agreement.
Also concerns about wiretap.
Magsasara na po tayo dahil marami pang nagbo-volunteer.
Pero na-establish bang may due process talagang ginawa sa Pangulo o wala nung sinerve yung warrant at dinala sa Hague?
Kayong humatol, parang wala, di ba?
Ma'am, have you spoken to your brother?
No po. Thank you.